Good morning from ORTEX. Today is Friday, May 20th, and these are your data highlights. Clothing retailer Ross Stores became the latest consumer discretionary company to report dismal quarterly results last night, causing shares to sell off 25% after hours. Revenue in the fiscal second quarter was $4.33 billion, a miss compared to the consensus estimate of $4.53 billion. That resulted in earnings per share of 97 cents, also shy of the $1 per share that Wall Street was forecasting. Ross slashed its guidance for the fiscal year and now expects same-store sales to decline 2 to 4%, down from the prior outlook of flat to positive 3%. Bearish sentiment is growing, not evidenced by short interest, which remains low, but a rising put-to-call ratio, which is now 1.52. Elsewhere in apparel retailers, Foot Locker will release its latest results later this morning. The company has been working in recent months to diversify vendors away from Nike in order to reduce its concentration risk as Nike expands its own direct-to-consumer channel. Foot Locker's current guidance for 2022 calls for sales to decline 4 to 6%. The consensus estimate calls for $2.2 billion in revenue and $1.55 per share in profits for the fiscal first quarter. Investors will be on the lookout for inflationary pressures that could adversely impact profitability, as well as the potential for guidance reductions. Short interest is trending higher at 7 million shares, or 8% of free float. Make sure to subscribe and come back every weekday for interesting data highlights from ORTEX.